get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
The journey begins at the source, mining rare earth metals essential for the powerful motors and
Refined materials are shipped globally to our factory, ensuring a steady supply chain for uninterrupted DJI drone production.
Every batch of materials undergoes rigorous inspection to meet the high standards required for reliable DJI drone construction. Approved materials are stored in an automated warehouse, ensuring quick access for the DJI drone manufacturing lines. Precision machining begins with cutting lightweight metal frames, the structural foundation of every DJI drone. Holes are drilled with exact precision to accommodate assemblies in the DJI drone frames. Plastic housings are molded to protect the internal components of DJI drones, combining strength and lightness. Excess material is precisely trimmed to ensure smooth, aerodynamic surfaces on DJI drone housings.
Printed circuit boards, the brain of DJI drones, start with etching intricate pathways for electrical signals.
Electronic components are soldered onto boards, forming the core control systems for DJI drones.
Motor components are housed in durable casings, ready to drive the propellers of DJI drones. Lithium-ion battery cells are filled and sealed, providing long-lasting power for DJI drones.
Individual cells are assembled into efficient battery packs, optimized for DJI drone flight times.
High-resolution lenses for DJI drone cameras are ground and polished to perfection.
Image sensors are fabricated on silicon, capturing stunning visuals in DJI drones. Stabilizing gimbals are built to keep DJI drone footage smooth and steady.
The drone's body takes shape as frames and housings are seamlessly integrated.
Powerful motors are installed, providing thrust for DJI drone flight. Aerodynamic propellers are attached, ready to generate lift in DJI drones.
Battery compartments are integrated, powering the entire DJI drone system.
Camera gimbals are mounted, enabling high-quality imaging in DJI drones.
Internal wiring links all components, creating a cohesive DJI drone electronics network. The central control board is installed, orchestrating DJI drone functions. Advanced sensors are integrated for precise navigation in DJI drones. Antennas are installed for reliable signal transmission in DJI drones.
firmware is flashed, bringing intelligence to DJI drone operations.
Sensors are finely tuned for accurate performance in DJI drones. Initial power tests verify basic functionality in DJI drones.
Motors undergo spin tests to ensure balanced propulsion for DJI drones.
Vibration tests confirm durability under stress for DJI drones.
Thermal tests ensure DJI drones perform in extreme conditions. Visual inspections catch any imperfections in DJI drone assemblies.
Advanced scans verify electronic integrity in DJI drones.
Landing gear is added for safe takeoffs and landings in DJI drones.
The outer shell is secured, completing the robust structure of DJI drones.
The microabrasives are doing their job. Zero imperfections detected.
Confirmed. The surface is flawless.
A durable protective coating is applied, shielding DJI drones from environmental wear and scratches.
UV curing locks in the protective layer, ensuring long-lasting finish on DJI drones.
Final cleaning ensures no contaminants compromise performance or aesthetics of DJI drones.
Meticulous visual inspections guarantee every DJI drone meets premium quality standards.
Automated optical systems with AI ensure flawless surfaces on DJI drones.
Complete system boot tests verify all electronics function perfectly in DJI drones. IMU calibration fine-tunes stability controls for precise DJI drone flight.
Compass and GPS systems are calibrated for accurate positioning in DJI drones.
Camera and gimbal are precisely calibrated for sharp, stabilized footage in DJI drones.
Propellers undergo dynamic balancing to eliminate vibrations in DJI drones.
Hover tests confirm stable flight dynamics for DJI drones.
Obstacle avoidance systems are rigorously tested for safe operation in DJI drones.
Batteries face extreme cycling to guarantee reliable power in DJI drones.
Impact tests verify structural resilience for real-world use in DJI drones.
Resistance to water and dust is validated for all-weather capability in DJI drones.
Extended flight simulations push endurance limits for DJI drones.
Each DJI drone receives a unique identifier for lifelong tracking and support. Accessories are precisely kitted to complete the DJI drone package.
Protective foam is custom molded to safeguard DJI drones during transit.
DJI drones are carefully nestled into protective packaging. Final manual verification ensures nothing is missing in DJI drone packages.
Boxes are securely sealed and labeled for global distribution of DJI drones.
Finished packages are palletized efficiently for warehouse storage.
Pallets are wrapped securely to protect DJI drones during handling. Automated storage keeps DJI drones ready for swift order fulfillment.
Orders trigger precise retrieval of DJI drone packages. Packages are consolidated for efficient shipping of DJI drones.
DJI drones are loaded for global distribution networks.
From factory to the world, DJI drones embark on their final journey.
Every DJI drone, born from precision and innovation, soars to capture the world. Sustainability closes the loop, as DJI Factory recycles materials for future production.
Renewable energy powers the creation of DJI drones sustainably.
Skilled workforce is continuously trained to maintain DJI's precision standards.
Solid landing. The stability metrics are within the acceptable range now.
Yes, the adjustments to the gimbal stabilization worked perfectly.
From raw beginnings to soaring reality, this is the complete world of DJI drone creation.
We did it!
The launch looks perfect. Every test flight's data is meticulously reviewed, feeding insights back into DJI drone design and production. Real-world production data flows directly back to R&D, continuously evolving DJI drone technology.
Continuous safety training ensures every team member upholds the highest standards in the DJI factory.
Dedicated maintenance keeps the highly automated lines running flawlessly for DJI drone production.
Waste is meticulously sorted and recycled, minimizing environmental impact in DJI drone production.
You can't possibly expect that by Friday.
That reminds me of what happened last month.
That's exactly how it went down for us.
Data stream looks good on the altitude hold.
Confirmed. Bringing it down now.
Seamless global supply chain ensures uninterrupted flow of materials for DJI drones.
Thousands of perfected DJI drones stand ready to transform how the world sees from above.
Strict environmental monitoring confirms the DJI factory operates responsibly.
This is where the drones are calibrated for precision flight. How long does the calibration take for each unit? The automated process takes about 2 minutes.
DJI drones extend beyond recreation, saving lives in real-world emergencies.
Precision agriculture, powered by DJI drones, boosts global food security.
DJI drones unlock new perspectives, revolutionizing storytelling. From humble beginnings to global leadership, DJI drones redefine what's possible.
Every milestone is a shared triumph in the DJI drone journey. Around the clock, dedication keeps DJI drones moving forward.
From one factory to every corner of the planet, DJI drones connect and inspire.
Every drone we build carries the dream of innovation and exploration.
Day after day, precision and passion create wonders.
DJI drones venture where few dare, gathering vital knowledge.
Safely inspecting the unreachable, DJI drones maintain our world.
Protecting wildlife with non-intrusive observation powered by DJI drones.
In critical moments, DJI drones become lifelines. The journey continues. Tomorrow's DJI drones already in motion.
Behind every DJI drone is human ingenuity and care.
Where human skill meets machine precision, DJI drones are born.
From factory floor to endless skies, the DJI story continues.
Thank you to the thousands who make DJI drones soar. This is where the future takes flight.
Ready on the close-up. And follow the arm down. A little wider now.
Precision in motion. One factory. Infinite possibilities. The cycle continues. Innovation without end.
This is how DJI drones are made and how they change the world.
DJI, powering the future of flight.
Explore more, create more with DJI.